One question from Mr. Rajesh, Kachibowli, Hyderabad. Vinod, what is a patch management software? Is there a efficient method of doing patch management all at once? Is there any open source solutions with which I can do patch management? Is there a single command that I can use which will help me update all the softwares at once? Okay, so good news is, Rajesh, yes, there is some very interesting tool which is shipped with Microsoft that I would like to introduce to you. This tool that I'm talking about is called WinGet. It's WinGet. It is a command line tool introduced by Microsoft for Windows, and it serves as a package manager. It's not just a patch manager, it's a package manager. Let me help you understand that. This allows users to discover, install, update, and manage softwares directly from command line or PowerShell. May it be command prompt or your PowerShell. I'll just give you a high level of what all WinGet as a software can do. Small application can do. Please be mindful, WinGet is a tool that is installed in Microsoft Windows by default. So what all can this default utility do? One, this tool can actually install any software that you want using command line interface. Number two is you can just say WinGet list in your command prompt. You have to just say WinGet space list. Once you do that, it will give you the list of all the applications installed on your system, along with the version that is installed, and along with the available new version of software that's available in the market. And WinGet is not just only for operating system patches, but also software level patches. And the third thing is you can actually search for any popular software using command line and get it installed. You can just use WinGet search and you can put the tool name. And the final tool, that I would suggest that you all do it in a system is very, very important command. It's WinGet upgrade -all. It's WinGet space upgrade space -all. When you do this on command prompt or PowerShell, what happens is it will update all the installed packages to their latest versions. How cool is that, isn't it? Imagine you just open control panel, go check your software's version, then go to the respective vendor's site and download the updated version, reinstall them, uninstall them, and reinstall them. How cumbersome it can be, right? So this process of using WinGet upgrade -all can be such a easy process and also make your system security posture drastically improve. Please be mindful. Most of the systems get compromised because of applications installed on them which are older versions, and hence there are new vulnerabilities that are detected on the older version, making the whole system vulnerable. Once you do this, what happens is you patch the particular application, not just OS but also the applications, and also make it really hard for an attacker to gain access to one system. So I hope this particular information helped. In case you did like, please consider subscribing.